Hi there, hope that you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 online source of income, and I'm going to share with you how they work, how you can start making money with them, how you can partner with someone else online source of income so you can make your own source of income, at the same time earning money while, promoting other people's products and all those kind of tweaks that you can do to make some money online. So stay tuned, keep watching. Welcome to Freedom Lifestyle channel. My name is Bruno Cimeiro, and in this channel, I teach all the basics about online business, digital marketing, and how to create your freedom lifestyle. In this way, do things that you love to do, that you're passionate about. If this is the first time that you're watching my video or you're in my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and also activate that bell notification. Leave some thumbs up. So without any delay, let's keep going. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 online source of income. Some of them you can start regardless of your background, regardless of your experience, or if you have a college degree or not, whether you have some sort of education on a particular area or topic or something like that. You don't need that, and you can easily start an online business, or you can simply do something as a side hustle. That really depends on you, on your budget, your time, and the kind of work you want to do. If it's just something that you want to do as a hobby, side hustle to earn some extra cash or extra money, it doesn't matter because you can do it. So one of the advantages of creating an online source of income, one of the greatest advantages is the ability to earn a passive income. This concept is most of the time misunderstood. People as a misperception of what a passive income means. So when a lot of people hear about passive income, they think that making passive income doesn't require of you doing any kind of work, not putting any sort of effort to start earning some cash, to earn those cash on autopilot. Of course, you have to put some upfront work. Then, when all it's done, you're gonna start earning some passive income. Another great advantage when it comes to creating online source of income is the ability to automate your business or something like that, because we have artificial intelligence, we have app software that can do that for you. So it is a great news for you. So when you put some upfront work, you do some grind and all that, all you gotta do is automate your online source of income, and people starting to come to your business, to your whatever service or product that you're selling or promoting, and they keep buying. You keep got new customer to your product or your online source of income without you being actively there. You know what I mean? You see what I'm trying to convince you here? Because doing online business or creating an online source of income is one of the best things that you can do if you're not someone that enjoy your 9-to-5 job or whatever. This is your opportunity. So there's also this thing that I call passion-based niche. When you're creating online source of income, you can create them around something that you're passionate about, something that you love to do. That can be anything, virtually anything. I mean it. You can create online source of income around things that has to do with spirituality, business, marketing, dog training, courses, educating other people, or simply sharing your life with others. You can do traveling. The potential is massive, and you have all the opportunity, in front of you, right in front of you, because you're also use your smartphone, internet connection, or a laptop. It doesn't matter. Only matter is that you have some sort of device that you can connect to the internet, and you can start create some sort of income online, and that's just great. I'm excited to share this with you because when I first started, I got so excited knowing that I could earn passive income online, that I could put some upfront work, and then I can, step back and put my hand on my foreback head and relax. Another of the great advantage of creating an online source of income, it is because it is a global market. You can sell basically to everyone around the world. Why? Because you're using the internet, and everyone nowadays has access to the internet, and people go on internet to find solution to their problem. May that be, you can sell whatever, can be something physical or digital, but I recommend you doing digital if you're just starting out, because it is easier and it is more affordable, I can say that, and it is more flexible, and you get all these advantages of selling digital products. If you're watching this video, that means that you understand English, and English is basically a language that is known from all over the world. So without any more delay, let's just get started. One of the first online source of income that I wanted to share with you is YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. So to start a YouTube channel, you simply need to have some sort of a Gmail account, and you go on YouTube and you start creating your account. Simple as that. And as I said earlier, you can start a channel based on your passion based niche. It can be anything. If you're someone that enjoy music, you can compact some sort of music, and you can compile them and upload them to YouTube. Or if it's meme that you like, or TikTok viral, or you want to be a creator educator, you want to educate people on a certain topic, that be affiliate marketing, that be online business, that be how to create YouTube channel, how to monetize YouTube, and all that. You got a lot of options. So one of the first thing that you should do is pick your niche. You should choose the niche that you are going to create your content around. Once you have uploaded those videos, you want to share them on other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or forums, and then you go to the third steps, that is joining the YouTube Partner Program. So YouTube Partner Program is basically a step that you take, to join YouTube in order to start earning money from them. Of course, to join YouTube Partner Program and to start monetizing your channel, you gotta follow their guidelines and some of the, eligible requirements that you can, as you can see here, we've got some requirements, and one of them is you have to live in a country or region that is, your YouTube Partner Program is available. So let's say you create a channel, you do all the hard work, you start putting content out there, you got a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, but if in your country YouTube Partner Program is not eligible, is not available, it will be hard to make money on YouTube this way. So this is one of their requirements. So another eligibility is having minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in like 12 months. So you can start being eligible to monetize your YouTube channel. Another thing is having an AdSense linked account. You need to link your account to a AdSense. AdSense is basically the way that YouTube make money and the way that allows you to make money too. Through those advertisements. There are those short clips, for example, that pop-ups on when you're watching a YouTube video or something like that. There are a lot of other ways that you can make money on YouTube, as sponsorship, as endorsement, affiliate marketing. By the way, affiliate marketing, I'm going to talk about it in a deeper level later, so keep watching. So basically, those are some of the requirements and steps that you need to take to to start monetizing your YouTube channel, to make money with it. And I don't know, I don't think it can get easier and simpler than that. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, you have some sort of idea what niche to start with, just go for it. So another online source of income that I want to talk about is selling online products, selling digital products. Nowadays, people are turning to the internet basically for every need, every problem, or every situation that they need to handle. So, what they do, they go on the internet. And you're watching this video right now, that's probably because you want to learn some new techniques on how to create online source of income. Maybe you have some sort of online source of income, or maybe you're just starting out, you have no idea where to start or something like that. And that's why you're here watching this video. So nowadays you can easily sell online course, you can sell subscription, you can sell apps and membership. It is easy to make money nowadays with the internet. So I'm gonna go one by one of those that I talk about, and you can see how you can make money with them. So keep watching. You can sell educational products. You can sell, for example, digital courses. Let's say you are someone that wants to build more muscle, you want to be stronger, or you're someone that wants to lose some weight, and you don't know anything about how to lose weight, what are the trainings that you need, what are the techniques that you can use. So you may come to YouTube to search those information, but the problem is on YouTube you won't find like a step-by-step a structured system on how to lose weight. You may find a lot of information, and that might get you overwhelmed, and overload with the information, and you may give up. So what you do, you decided to buy an online course that has a step-by-step and all the foods, nutrients, protein, and things that you need to eat, or things that you need to do, the right exercise you need to do, and all that, so you can gain muscle. You can do bodybuilding or something like that. Also, you can lose weight. I hope that you get the idea where I'm trying to get it. So there are a lot of platforms online that you can create. You can sell digital course, and one of the most popular that I know is Udemy. So you want to start a course, you know what to do. Another online source of income is selling, license to use your product. You may be someone that is know how to do music, art, photos, videos, footage, and all that. Those kind of assets, they can be sold, for other people that wants to use your asset, your templates, or something like that. By the way, you can also sell templates as related to business, to how to make curriculum vitae, or how to create some sort of letters. So by giving license to other people or business, they pay you money to use your photos, your videos, art, or whatever products that you have online. And you can sell stock photos and all that. So another thing that you can do, that you can bundle all of this thing that I talk about, is selling a membership site. You can create a platform or site where you can bundle all of stock photos, courses, and these membership and all that. You can bundle them together, and you're gonna sell them to other people. That way they are getting everything in one place. And there are a lot of platforms that you can use to create your membership site and all that. So if you want to learn more, do some research deeper. You can also sell digital templates such as resume, digital marketing strategy. You can sell mobile apps for business, Adobe Photoshop filters. You have a lot of options. So I believe that now you have all the basic information to start, create some sort of online source of income around selling digital products or something. Now, the third one that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing, in my is my favorite personal one. Affiliate marketing basically works like this. You promote someone else's products and you get a commission in return. And the advantage of doing affiliate marketing, one, you are selling other people's product. Basically, you are doing, you are using our people, our work to earn money. People, you can partner with those people because when you partner with them, you are helping them selling their product. So why wouldn't they pay you money to help them? You're basically helping them. You're helping each other. It is a win-win. And in this case, 3-win because it's win-win because you, as an affiliate, you're getting commission by selling the merchant's product, and merchant is making a sale through you, and he pay you money, of course, but he get to keep his share, and the people that buys the product get win because if that person buys that product, it's because she or he needs that product, because that person a certain problem or situation that your product can help them solve. So easy. And when you're doing affiliate marketing, commission rate can vary from 50 to 8% commission, and you can work basically, as I said, around any niche imaginary. You can do spirituality, you can do dog training, bodybuilding, you can do music, art, book, cooking, in marketing, and you doing affiliate marketing, you can create a business around something that you're passionate about. And you don't have to create complicated website. You don't have to need any basic skills or experience. And those are things that you will learn along the way while doing it. And that's just great because one of the reasons that most of us don't start something or business or something like that, it is because we don't have knowledge on that topic. We don't have skills or experience. So this is a great news for you. And one of the simplest, easier business model source of online income that you can start is, for me, I think, is affiliate marketing, because you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to know in depth a certain topic or something like that, so you can start selling. So those are some of the online source of income that I wanted to share with you. And if there is one that you resonate with the most, you think that you can start right away, just leave in the comment below. And if there is any other online source of income that you think would help other people that are watching this video, you can leave in the comment below. It can be helpful to them and to all of us. So if there is anything or any topic that you think it would be useful for me to talk about, if you think that I can help you with, you can also leave in the comment below, because also I've got a 4-day video series training that will teach you all the basics about affiliate marketing, how it works, how you choose products to promote, how you choose a niche, all the basics and the network, the best way to sell those products, to promote those products, and how you can set up your website, because when you're doing affiliate marketing, you need only one page website, and that's easy to do because nowadays there are platforms that you can just drag and drop. So if you want to learn more, just click the first link right below this video. You're gonna get access to those 4-day training, and you're gonna get yourself ready. You're gonna get yourself more knowledge about this topic and how you can do it yourself. So hope that you enjoy this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and activate that bell notification. Leave some thumbs up if you like this video, and if you think this is useful to another people, that it can help other people in their journey in their life, or that wants to create an online source of income, you can share with them too, because it is a win-win for all of us. So take care, see you soon. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.